Find me on an island, searching for the silence. I don't need nobody, but I think I just need you. Found my peace and quiet, the noise is slowly dying. I can feel my soul, it calls for you and only you. Just for you, no one but you. Let's take a trip and picnic on the lonely moon. Maybe soon, how about noon? I'll meet you for a booking coffee downtown past my room. I tell our story bravely, how we met, it was crazy. I never thought you'd save me from me, cause I'm so lazy.
I tell you on the daily, our story's not that crazy. I've stated very plainly, we did this for us, baby. To feel the way you see me makes me want you near me. You're catching my eye and I can't deny, I really like this view. Love the way you smile, yeah, that sweet and nervous style, yeah. Couldn't say why, but I wanna try. I'll take a chance on you, but now I'm doomed. I fell for you, you got me a high. Can't say goodnight, so come into my room. Just me and you, there's something new. Coming close, let's make the most. Show me what you do. You know how to engage me. You talk so sweet like candy, sweet as sugar candy. So smooth, my palms get clammy.
Just grab me by the hand now. No plans, no pins, no anger. You're more than I can handle, but I'll find your favorite angle. I love to feel you near me. Are you free this evening? Let's grab a bite under the moonlight. I don't care what food, I'll tell you sincerely. I thought I was dreaming when you said yes. I never guessed how hard I fall for you. But now I'm doomed, I'm such a fool. You stole my heart, I fall apart. When you touch me, I swoon to your room. Let's go there soon. Turn off the light, we'll kiss through a smile. I love you like a fool. Find me on an island, searching for the silence. I don't need nobody, but I think I just need you. Found my peace and quiet, the noise is slowly dying. I can feel my soul, it calls for you and only you. Just for you, no one but you. Let's take a trip and picnic on the lonely moon. Maybe soon, how about noon? I'll meet you for a booking coffee downtown past my room. I tell our story bravely, how we met, it was crazy. I never thought you'd save me from me, cause I'm so lazy.
I tell you on the daily, our story's not that crazy. I've stated very plainly, we did this for us, baby. To feel the way you see me makes me want you near me. You're catching my eye and I can't deny, I really like this view. Love the way you smile, yeah, that sweet and nervous style, yeah. Couldn't say why, but I wanna try. I'll take a chance on you, but now I'm doomed. I fell for you, you got me a high. Can't say goodnight, so come into my room. Just me and you, there's something new. Coming close, let's make the most. Show me what you do. You know how to engage me. You talk so sweet like candy, sweet as sugar candy. So smooth, my palms get clammy.
Just grab me by the hand now. No plans, no pins, no anger. You're more than I can handle, but I'll find your favorite angle. I love to feel you near me. Are you free this evening? Let's grab a bite under the moonlight. I don't care what food, I'll tell you sincerely.
The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. Would you ever fade away? Everything just fades away. Would you ever fade away? And everything falls into place. When it's all up in the air and innocent, touching on my leg, you ain't in different. What we doing here ain't nobody's business. It's all sweet, but it tastes like cinnamon. But you won't say what's on your mind. Don't gotta say what you think I like. 'Cause you're what I like, yeah. I could be wasting a day with you when it's found with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. Would you ever fade away? Everything just fades away. Would you ever fade away? And everything falls into place. It's not one thing that you do, but time is precious, wanna spend it with you. You know it's good if you wanna come through. Get in my space, make you wanna stay. Everything just fades away. Would you ever fade away? Everything just fades away. Would you ever fade away? And everything falls into place. And everything falls into place.
Find me on an island, searching for the silence. I don't need nobody, but I think I just need you. Found my peace and quiet, the noise is slowly dying. I can feel my soul, it calls for you and only you. Just for you, no one but you. Let's take a trip and picnic on the lonely moon. Maybe soon, how about noon? I'll meet you for a booking coffee downtown past my room. I tell our story bravely, how we met, it was crazy. I never thought you'd save me from me, 'cause I'm so lazy.
I tell you on the daily, our story's not that crazy. I've stated very plainly, we did this for us, baby. I feel the way you see me, makes me want you near me. You're catching my eye and I can't deny, I really like this view. Love the way you smile, yeah, that sweet and nervous style, yeah. Couldn't say why, but I wanna try. I'll take a chance on you. But now I'm doomed, I fell for you. You got me high, I can't say goodnight, so come into my room. Just me and you, it's something new. Coming close, make the most. Show me what you do. You know how to engage me. You talk so sweet like candy, sweet as sugar candy. So smooth, my palms get clammy.
Just grab me by the hand now. No plans, no pins, no anger. You're more than I can handle, but I'll find your favorite angle. I love to feel you near me. Are you free this evening? Let's grab a bite under the moonlight. I don't care what food, I'll tell you sincerely, I thought I was dreaming when you said yes. I never guessed how hard I fall for you. But now I'm doomed, I'm I'm such a fool. You stole my heart, I fall apart. When you touch me, I swoon to your room. Let's go there soon. Turn off the light, we'll kiss through a smile. I love you like a fool. Find me on an island, searching for the silence. I don't need nobody, but I think I just need you. Found my peace and quiet, the noise is slowly dying. I can feel my soul, it calls for you and only you. Just for you, no one but you. Let's take a trip and picnic on the lonely moon. Maybe soon, how about noon? I'll meet you for a booking coffee downtown past my room. I tell our story bravely, how we met, it was crazy. I never thought you'd save me from me, cause I'm so lazy.
I tell you on the daily, our story's not that crazy. I've stated very plainly, we did this for us, baby. I feel the way you see me, makes me want you near me. You're catching my eye and I can't deny, I really like this view. Love the way you smile, yeah, that sweet and nervous style, yeah. Couldn't say why, but I wanna try. I'll take a chance on you, but now I'm doomed. I fell for you, you got me high, I can't say goodnight, so come into my room. Just me and you, it's something new. Coming close, let's make the most. Show me what you do. You know how to engage me. You talk so sweet like candy, sweet as sugar candy. So smooth my palms get clammy.
Just grab me by the hand now. No plans, no pins, no anger. You're more than I can handle, but I'll find your favorite angle. I love to feel you near me. Are you free this evening? Let's grab a bite under the moonlight. I don't care what food, I'll tell you sincerely. I thought I was dreaming when you said yes. I never guessed how hard I fall for you. But now I'm doomed. I'm such a fool. You stole my heart, I fall apart. When you touch me, I swoon.
Even at 3 in the morning, but we're just friends, aren't we? Said it really ain't crossed my mind. Crossed my mind. Maybe these nights on the phone are just as far as it's going. Guess it really ain't crossed my mind. Crossed my mind. I could be wasting a day with you and that's fine with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. Would you want fade away? Everything just fades away. Would you want fade away? And everything falls into place. When it's all up in the air and innocent, touching on my leg, you ain't in different. What we doing here ain't nobody's business. Say it's all sweet, but it tastes like cinnamon. But you won't say what's on your mind. Don't gotta say what you think I like. Cause you're what I like, yeah. I could be wasting a day with you and that's fine with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. Would you want fade away? Everything just fades away. stay. Everything just